Now I'm going to introduce to you somebody who's going to do something a little bit more modern. Will you please put your hands together for Mr. Martin Quigley? Good evening, Middlesbrough. Good evening. Good evening. Have we all disappeared? Good evening. That's better, that's better. Wow. Thank you all having a good night? Having a good time. Right, fantastic. That's what we like to see. Right, ladies and gentlemen, a quick question for everyone in the audience tonight. Does anyone know what was voted as the most popular toy? Children's toy. I can see your minds working all the time. It's a family show. And I'll give you a clue, ladies and gentlemen. There's a couple of them on the stage. Rubik's Cube, fantastic. I've got two of my lovely assistants handing out cubes tonight. Please take one. But if you take one, don't do what they're doing in Liverpool and pocket them. It's no show. We done that the other night, it's not good. Right, but we're going to get someone up just to help me out as well. Sir, what's your name? Chris, would you mind helping me, Chris? Big round of applause for Chris. Right. Chris, would you like to take a seat? Fantastic. Chris, I don't want you to feel left out, so I'm going to give you a Rubik's Cube as well. Mix that at your leisure. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Now, Chris, do you know how many combinations there are on that Rubik's Cube? No. There are 43 quintillion combinations on that one cube. To put that into context, Chris, if we roamed the Earth the same time that dinosaurs did, and we mixed that cube from waking up on a morning till going to bed at night, you would still not have hit every combination on there. Heavy, right? In fact, you're more likely to pick up a grain of sand on Redcar Beach, throw it back into the sea, visit every single beach in the world, and pick up that same grain of sand. I mean, isn't that amazing? Wow. Chris, you've mixed up that cube. Are you happy with that? Is that a random mix? I'm going to ask you, Chris, to give it one last twist. Are you happy? I am. So it's safe to say that Chris's cube is the only one like it in the world. Right? Or is it? Because on here, ladies and gentlemen, since I came out, there's been a cube underneath a glass case. I haven't touched it. Chris, you've mixed up the cube. If I could take it back, we may witness a miracle here, Chris. 1 second. Have we got that miracle? You got it? You've got one of the sides to map. You happy with that? Yeah. Not just one side, Chris, but two. Not just two, but three. Not just three, but four. Not just four, but five, all 6 sides. I want to show you, ladies and gentlemen, so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 6 sides. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Chris. Now, ladies and gentlemen, do you know what the world record is for solving a Rubik's Cube? You do? What's your name? What is it? Jesse, do you know what the record is? Making it. No, the record for solving it. So the record for solving it, Jesse, is 3.27 seconds. Imagine how many twists per second to solve from all those 43 quintillion combinations. I reckon it looks something like this. Keep mixing, mixing, mixing. Down this side as well, keep mixing that cube. We're going to take this to the next level now, ladies and gentlemen. If you've got the cube, keep going, keep going, keep going. And please hand them back to my assistants. Yes, just give them back and we'll get them back on stage. Thank you. Yeah, just keep going, keep going. We all happy? Yeah. Oh, we're running short, we got them. There we go. Fantastic. My lovely assistants, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, you've done such a great job. Let's see if we can make an order of this mess, okay? Let's go. Music. Someone pocketed them? Who's got the last two cubes? Oh, you've got them. Wow. My two youngest children, ladies, please come on stage. I mean, don't they just look gorgeous? Let's have a big round. Right, do you want to give them one last twist? Go for it. You happy? Are you happy?
James.
Right, ladies first. Where would you like your cube to go? At the top, right, okay. And James, unfortunately, son, you don't get a choice. But get used to that, because when you get Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go back. We give you cubes at the start of this. I had a small collection of them on stage. You were listening to a timer with a character on there, right? That character and timer was Super Mario. The Rubik's Cube was made famous in the 80s, just like Super Mario. And we may witness a miracle tonight. But I will just say this. My two children said to me tonight, Daddy, do you think you'll get a standing ovation if it goes right? So remember. Shall we see what we've got? Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have a miracle.